Hello everyone, welcome back today. In this video, I will be telling you how to make a pausing script in your games because that's a pretty big problem because as you know, Scratch does not have a pausing feature. Well, I've got Scratch add-ons, which is something like that adds ads, so I've got a pausing script, like it actually works. But a lot of people probably don't. So I'm gonna teach you how to add a pausing script into your game so you can pause your game instead of having to get all this stuff to get a pausing button like me. So let's get right to that. Okay, so I have a basic script here for pausing stuff. So first, this is the stuff that controls movement, the smooth movement. Um, so this is the movement. So this is the actual game, and when you press P, um, what is it? It pauses like the game, you know. Um, so so how you do this is so first I just put when green flag clicked, show, go to front layer, set X velocity to 0, set Y velocity to 0, set X to 0 and set Y to 0 and forever. Do this. It can be any game though, just all your script, you know, that makes the game. So first, you'll make two variables, pause control and game status, so like the status of the game, and they will both be for all sprites. Um, yeah, they'll both be for all sprites. Then the first thing you'll do is when green flag clicked, set your game status to currently playing and set your pause control to 0. And forever, if the key P or whatever key you want to pause the game is pressed, maybe you want to have a sprite that you can click to pause the game, it doesn't matter. But I'm just doing if the key P is pressed, then change pause control by 1 and wait until the key P is not pressed. And remember to put a forever loop in there. I forgot to do that, and I was like, why is my thing working? You know? And I freaked out because it wasn't working. But, so then the next thing you're going to do is when green flag clicked, forever, if pause control mod 2 equals 0, set the status of the game to currently playing. Or else, set the status of the game to game paused. And then in your script that runs your game in any sprite, you know, you'll put this repeat until. So repeat until not status of the game equal currently playing, then your game script. And that will create a really good pausing script. So you see, and then once I press P, it just pauses, and then once I press P again, it unpauses. Press P again, it pauses, and press P again, it unpauses. Press P again, it pauses, and press P again, it pauses. Wait, did I say unpauses before? Well, so I hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.